Well, here it is. Here's all the data that we received through the survey that we posted so that people would react to the Twitter email or Twitter tweet that we sent out. This is all coming together. What I have here and what they got here was the opportunity to receive the answers of the people who were responding to the survey. And you'll see that on the left-hand side it's a column, and these are the three preferred tools for communicating for personal purposes. And over here on the right-hand column, it's the three preferred tools for communicating for school purposes. And so you've got all these words and everything, but how do you make sense of it? Well, the nice thing is that Google Forms and the spreadsheet have the capability of showing a summary of the responses. And this is what we have for that first column. You'll notice that down this side it's a graphic representation. It goes out to 20. And over on this side, this is all done with percentages and with actual responses. So we take a look at it, and how would they like to communicate for personal purposes? Um, we end up with 4% saying handwritten letters and email. Turns out that texting is the number one way in which people want to, or the teenagers want to respond to one another using for personal purposes. And then it turns out that it seems to be a tie between email and Facebook. And then beyond that, we have phone. The very lowest, we have LinkedIn and YouTube. Apparently, those are not ways that they want to communicate. Google Hangout is not a big thing. So actually, we did find out which were the ones that were really important. If we want to take a look down at the lower one, you'll see that it shows that for a more formal purpose, email is the out and out winner. Then comes the phone, and then comes texting. And then actually LinkedIn is not even in there. Snapchat not there. So this is another one that's very interesting. And the interesting point is that here it has 25 votes, and up here there's 20 votes. And that's an important thing to take a look at. The length is the same, but the gradients are different. Therefore, when you take a look at these and compare them, you need to look at the numbers, not at the bars per se. So when it comes time to put this into our presentation, all we have to do is do a screen capture. This is something I can do on my Mac. I can take a screen capture of this and copy and paste it and put it right into the presentation. So that's what we have here. It's a great opportunity as to how you can take the data that you found, organize it, and summarize it so you can use it to share with other people.